Hello everyone, Dr. Jeff Beavers here again. Just kind of want to go over a little bit how to get ready for the adjustment and how to get off the table properly so you don't lose your adjustment, and so you hold your adjustment a lot better, a lot longer, of course. So anyway, staff's gonna bring you back, and we're gonna put your travel card in the outside box on this room here and the other one over there. Then you come over here, you take your things out, you put them into this basket right here, which is your car keys, anything sharp out of your pockets, you put them in here. Don't forget your glasses, take your glasses off, and then grab one of these piece of papers right there and lay them right down on the table, just like that. Next thing is you sit down, and then you lay down just like this, and I'll do it like that. Oh. What'd I do wrong? I had my glasses on, didn't I? Okay, glasses off. All right. Now we're back going down again, just like that. Now when you get up, this is the tricky part. You want to roll on your side, push with your hand right here, drop your legs down sideways. So you come up sideways actually, and then you scoot to the edge of the table, and you look up. When you look up, it tucks that sacrum underneath you, and you come straight up just like that. One thing that a lot of people do that's wrong is they come and they sit here and they just jump right up. Key is to come sit here, let your blood flow get back up to your brain a little bit, get to the edge of the table, put your feet underneath you, look up, and come straight up. And guess what? This is the way you should be getting out of bed anyway. So come see us. We're open. We're getting our flow down a lot better. We're fully staffed. We got Ashley and Karen here all day long. And we're here to help you, to serve you. So if you have any issues or any problems of any kind, or friends or family members, you'd like to call us and talk to us first, more than happy to do that also. So I'll see you on your next visit.